The brightest display ever built into a Galaxy device, including Samsung's Ultra phones, is included in both the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. For comparison, the S23 Ultra's display has a maximum brightness of just 1750 nits. The watch's display boasts a peak brightness of a whopping 2000 nits. No matter the lighting, whether it's natural or artificial, the displays are twice as bright as those of last year's models, allowing you to easily see the display in every situation. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's lack of nimbleness and responsiveness in comparison to the Apple Watch is one of my main complaints about it. And a significant portion of it is due to subpar hardware and software. The Watch 6 lineup from Samsung, however, has made that right. It comes with a new CPU that is over 20% quicker, 2 GB of RAM instead of the 1.5 GB on the predecessor, and 16 GB of storage. In addition, it has Samsung's One UI 5 and Google's new Wear OS 4, all of which are well optimized and make the device seem quick and responsive. Reintroducing the rotating bezel and using narrow bezels, which allowed for a larger display, is perhaps the Watch 6 Classic's greatest improvement. Its standout design element that differentiates it from other smartwatches is the spinning bezel. On both the ordinary Watch 6 and the Watch 6 Classic, the bezels have shrunk by 30% and 15%, respectively. For both watches, the end effect is a fantastic 20% boost in screen space. For those who want to order the Watch 6 lineup in advance, Samsung offers a fantastic trade-in offer. In addition to a free fabric band, they are giving away $250 in quick trade-in credit. In addition, if you book that advance reservation, you will get an extra $50 discount. The new passive abnormal heart rhythm warnings from Samsung, which keep an eye out for indicators of atrial fibrillation even while you're asleep, are included in the Watch 6 lineup and may really save your life. Prior watches could accomplish this as well, but they required manual operation. This one can do it without any assistance. The Watch SI accessibility to identify signs before it's too late might save countless lives since atrial fibrillation is asymptomatic. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.